Hello, this is Nate. Hi, Tina. Yeah, this is a good time to talk. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, that's great news. When would you like me to start? Great. Well, that's a little over 3 weeks, so I better get on the road. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
I woke up at 6 a.m., got in the car at about 6:15. I decided to take the long route. I went over Mount Hood, went down through Central Oregon, Bend, took a little offshoot over to Crater Lake, which was pretty, but unfortunately there was hundreds of bicyclists, which made it take a lot longer than I expected. I'm now a little south of Redding. I've covered over 500 miles. Got another 200 to go. Day one has been very long, but thankfully I have a few days in Monterey to recuperate, have some fun, see some friends, play on Laguna Seca, and then continue on down to San Diego.
This is the track before this next group.
Car's running great. Air conditioning's blowing cold. She's holding her temperature. And she's running strong. But I saw a lot of good things. I had a good time. And hopefully things continue to go well. So hopefully I don't hit traffic on my way into San Jose tonight. And I get in just a couple hours. See you in a few more days for day 2 of my trip to New Jersey.